Hey folks, Aaron at Redbird Speed. I want to talk about some things that you get whenever you order a set of axles. Now these are Moser Engineering axles, so when you get a race legal axle, you're going to get these axle end caps. These are very important. Be sure to hang on to these. Do not lose these. Then you got your contingency stickers. So if you're racing, you're definitely going to want to keep this. This is very important. Also, retainer plates. So these are going to be used in a lot of applications. So for example, these classic kits from Baer are going to require these. You have applications, anytime you're running a drum brake, these are going to go on the outside. So you got your backing plate going up here, you slide your axle in, your bearing sticks out of that housing in by about 1/8 of an inch. This is going to go right up in there and sandwich that in and hold the axle in. So these horseshoe shaped retainer plates, if applicable, you'll get those. If you're getting something like a Willwood kit, you're not going to get these. They're going to come with their own that work with their backing plate. So if you have any questions about this, give us a ring. Typically we always install the studs. The only studs that don't really get installed are like the 5/8 drag racing drive studs, so those could come loose. The bearings are usually going to be installed. There are some applications where we send the bearings loose depending on what you're doing, so you might get those in a pack with your axles depending on what you have going on. They may need to be sent loose to drop a caliper bracket on, like if you have like a 4th gen F body and you've got to drop a caliper bracket on and then press the bearing on the way it stacks up like that with a flush mount end, or something specific like that, the bearing might go loose. But as a general rule, whenever possible, we're going to have the bearings installed, studs installed. May or may not get retainer plates, but definitely keep these. Do not lose these. Any questions, give us a ring. If you have any other hardware, anything that you have a question about. Now if you get a housing, you do get different hardware, so we'll cover that whenever we get to talking about the housing. But any questions about any of this, give us a ring. I think we about got these axles wrapped up. We'll start talking about some other stuff. So if you have any questions, give us a ring, 260-301-2424. You can get us at redbirdspeed.com. Drop a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching today. Have a good one.